Hello and welcome to part 2 of the smart way to find coins with a metal detector. In part 1 we talked all about the science and the difference between the low and the high conductive targets. Now here in part 2 we're going to go out and try and find some coins. I've been told by the landowner that this area we're searching today is an old Victorian park, so our chances of finding some Victorian silver or copper coins is very, very high. Now, switching on this XP-ORX metal detector, I'm presented with two choices really, coin fast or coin deep. Because I'm looking for deep coins, I think I'm going to go for the coin deep option. So using the ORX metal detector in coin deep, I have three tones: a low tone for iron, a high tone for the highly conductive targets like our coins, and a mid tone for the mid conductors, which could potentially be coins but also be trash. So don't forget, we're literally cherry picking for big coins today. 92, 94, nice solid sound there, look. Don't think it's that deep, so let's have a look at that one. Can you hear that? It's got a little buzz with it at the end. I think that's going to be junk, but I could be wrong. Right, it's out of the hole, I can see it here, look. What do we got? Oh, it's a lovely button, look. Look at that beautiful button, look. Look at that. And I thought that was junk. So it's not a coin, but it's a lovely button. Fantastic. Here we go, that's coming in at 92, 93, 91. Just underneath that nettle, look. With a lovely high tone. It's going to be a tricky one to dig. Let's see if we can be as clinical as possible here. Let's try the pinpointer just to make sure we're in the exact spot. Straight down the middle, look. Okay, with the hand tool, and there it is, look. It's a big old coin. Wasn't that a lovely sound? I don't know what that is. Do you know, I think that could actually be a Roman coin. What do you think to that? Is it a Roman? Well, I think that is a Roman coin, you know. It's the right shape, it's the right size, and it's nice and thick. What a welcome find. Roman coin. The Romans had really big coins and they were called sesterces, and I think that's what this is. It's a very worn sesterces. But I'll get Steve to have a look at this because he knows his Roman coins. But once again, that wasn't very deep, but with a fantastic tone. And we managed to save the nettle. As with all these digs, the holes have got to be put back immaculate. So here we go. Quite simple. We've done a nice clinical dig, so all we have to do now is just stamp it down and we're good to go. It's absolutely vital that there's no signs of you ever being there, so get the hole filling as perfect as you can. Even if you're on rough plough, stubble, whatever, just make sure those holes are filled in, because If you don't, you may never be invited back to a potentially good permission.
Yeah, I think it's a festina. Female head facing that way. Difficult, but
Brilliant.
it'll come up a bit. Nice one.
Definitely a Roman sesterce, and about 2 feet away from it, I've got another signal. Have a listen to this. It's coming up at the sort of high 80s, low 90s, so about the same numbers again. Getting excited now. 89, 91. And I've got to be really careful pinpointing this, and all you have to do is give it a little tight wiggle until you've zoned it in, and then slowly draw the coil back until the target disappears. And once that's disappeared, your target's just underneath that red XP sticker. So little wiggles, bring it back, and there it is. 3 sides, 1, 2, still very stony here, 3, and here we go. No, I think we go straight in with the pinpoint probe, and the pinpoint probe is an essential piece of your kit because that helps you to bullseye the exact spot. No, I think we're going to have to go a little bit deeper because there's no audio from that pinpointer whatsoever. Double check our pinpointing with the machine. I think I'm just going to go a touch wider there, just a touch. There we go. Really carefully. Now we know there's coins in this area. Just going to be a little bit more careful because obviously you don't want to go damaging something nice. Let's move some rocks. Whatever it is, should be very close. Yeah, you can hear the pinpointer getting a little bit more louder. It's started to rev up, hasn't it? Wow, this is turning out to be a bit of a challenge. And there it is, look. There it is. And do you know what? That is another Roman coin. That is a fantastic Roman coin. What do you think of that? Can you believe that? Another flipping Roman coin, look. How fantastic. Wow. But again, the tools you need for digging, a pinpointer is absolutely essential to just make sure you're in exactly the right spot, and a hand digging tool. There's so many hand digging tools on the market. As you can see there, I'm not proud. I just use one from a garden centre, which I've smashed down into a smaller thing. But if you want to go to your local detector retailer, I'm sure they've got a wide selection of digging tools. But I've had this one for years and it's kind of personal, you know. So okay, I wonder if we can find another one of those coins. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Steve, what do you think, mate?
Have you found another? Now you're getting greedy. What is it? Roman again?
Another Roman, yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, Gary, look at that. Actually, looking at it, it's a Vespasian. You can just see Vespasian, Asian there. Yeah, it's very similar to Nero with a thick neck, but he's Vespasian. I think they were related, actually. And the first one you found, well, that's distinct now. It's not a Nero, it's a Vespasian. Now I've cleaned that writing off. So that's 69 to 79 AD, both of them, 69, 79 AD.
And can you see there, there's a line of nettles and it kind of stops. So we figured that these nettles may be an old track where we find modern coins or whatever, but it's turned out in our favour because we're actually finding Roman coins.
It's right down in the chalk. But it's a big piece of iron, knowing my luck. Oh,
I can see it.
what is it?
It's the edge of a coin, a big coin, look.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. Yes, at last. I was getting very envious of all those Romans you were finding. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, I don't want to scratch that. Right down in the chalk. Oh my goodness.
Whoa!
Oh, big Roman. A big Roman, look at that.
That is a minter.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I've never seen anything like it.
It's a Hadrian. Hadrian, very distinct.
Wow.
What's on the
Wow.
other side? I'm not sure. Oh, there. Look at that. Someone's sitting on a throne, it looks like. I don't know, I'll have to clean it up more. Yeah, someone's sitting on a throne. But look at that side, look at the Hadrian.
Amazing, I just didn't see that one coming. We're out here looking for Victorian coins and we've just hit on a little Roman patch. Unbelievable. 95. Once again, another lovely high tone. Just make sure I've got that exact. Is it going to be another one? Please, 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 please. I can feel the rain is just starting as well, so that's not going to help the video. Right, here we go. Do you know what? That's not very deep. I'm just going along the edge now, just trying to disturb. There it is, look, there it is. Look at that, look at that. Unbelievable. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You come out, you're expecting to find Victorian pennies and sixpences, and you end up falling over a Roman hotspot. Well, I'll take that any day of the week. I hope you've taken something from this video, especially if you're new to detecting or even thinking about buying a metal detector. Be very, very careful with those cheap detectors. I know some of you guys are on a budget and it's tough. If you're on a budget, just try and get a good second-hand one rather than a nasty, cheap, new one, which isn't really going to serve the purpose. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, the XP newsletter, and indeed my Metal Detector Skill School YouTube channel, where you can see me using the XP metal detectors in anger. But until then, happy hunting and bye for now.